Hey everybody, it's that time again. Today we are going to do our first toy review-ish. So today we're doing Starlink Battle for Atlas. Yay. As you can see here, we basically already opened everything since we got this a year ago on Christmas. And we just barely got this one today. Yeah, who's ready to get started on the comparison? Well, I know it's me. The good news about Starlink is, it actually comes with a controller. You don't have to buy it online. Good news is, it also comes with 2 people. Another good news, again, comes with 2 weapons. Bad news, it only comes with 1 airship. Okay, now for the fun part! We'll be comparing Skylanders to their size, or different Infinity characters, or amiibos, whatever. But for now, we're gonna do my favorite, the Skylanders! Oh, hi Mom. Junior, you better not be doing any trouble again. Oh, don't worry, I'm not. So, what you can see here is with the Starlink, they're kind of disappointing because they're surprisingly small, like very small. Wow. So huge. Now for the final one. Yeah, sorry Sprite, it's not gonna happen today. Oh man. Now that's all the Skylanders. Now time for the fun stuff. Now we're gonna do amiibos and Disney Infinity character sizes. Well, about this, we thought the Starlinks would be a bit as big as the Skylanders and amiibos, but too bad it's kind of disappointing though. Sorry Star Fox, even though you're my favorite character in Nintendo. Well, what we have here is basically these Starlink characters. The only thing that's disappointing is their bases are exactly the same. With the amiibos, Disney characters, and Skylanders, there's so many choices. Wow. So thanks kids, if you like this, please comment and subscribe in the bottom of the descriptions. Well, of course you need to subscribe. So, you can ask your parents if you can get some. Kirby, any words of wisdom? Not any I can think of. Okay, Kirby's useless. Until next time, guys. Stay fresh. No! Junior, we forgot to do the ratings. Oh yes, how can I forget about that? Well, I rate it a star. Oh, I rated it a blue shell. Kirby, you idiot! You can't do that! Why not? Oh, ouch. Okay, who's gonna clean up this mess? Well, it's definitely not gonna be me. Congratulations, ripoff of Aluma. You get to clean up this mess.